One thing that kind of ruins the flow when you're practicing Samoan with somebody and you kind of break stride and you ask in English, what's the Samoan word for this? So you say that part in English and then your partner responds in English. Now y'all just speak in English. Then you drop the exercise and move on to the next thing. A phrase that'll help keep you in the moment is Oleale upu FaaSamoa mo, and then fill in the blank. Olea means what? It's a singular what that has the le in the middle. There's lessons on that, but for now just know that it's a singular what. What's the singular thing? Le upu, or the word. Le is the and upu is word. After a noun, if there's another word behind it, it's likely the word is describing the noun. In this case, it's FaaSamoa. FaaSamoa can be translated as Samoan way or Samoan. So le upu FaaSamoa translates to the Samoan word. And mo is the preposition meaning for, and then you can say the English word right there. So when you're flowing in Samoan and you get stuck on a word you don't know, like shirt, just ask Oleale upu FaaSamoa mo shirt o ofutino.